Got an update on the Cherokee Overland project, and I just want to show you what I've got done. I've decided to prototype everything in cardboard. So this is all the prototype. This will be a storage unit that is level with the cargo bed. There'll be storage compartment on this side, and you'll see here I've got a bulkhead that I'm building, cut to size and everything. This metal bar will be flipped around, so it'll be at the back, so we'll have a full-length mattress going full length on the inside of the Jeep, and then when these seats move forward, there'll be a drop-in piece in there for just the top part where our heads are. So as you can see, this is going to be a pretty nice configuration. Lots of storage here. And I'll wander around the back and you can see what the back looks like here. So in the back here, I'm going to have a flip-up a shelf that flips up over here. The tire mount is going to come out, so that'll be storage there. Then likewise, this piece here is going to be cut, so it will have a flip-up shelf so that there'll be storage in there. Underneath, I'm going to have outlet over there for power and an outlet over there. I'll run Romex through into the back here, and then wire both of these outlets. We're using Romex. Coming into the other side, same story on this side. Have a flip-up lid for the storage. Tools can go in here, and whatever else we need. So this, I think, is going to be a workable situation. I think that this is going to be a very nice Overland Jeep when it's done. Probably put a couple of cabinets on this side, on either side, on the bulkhead, some small cabinets for storage. But so far, looking at the prototype, I think that this is going to work. I think that this is going to be a great solution. So I'm going to start working on building it now. A couple things I've noticed. This piece over here in the corner, the angle piece is going to be the most critical piece. So I'm going to cut that one first, because it has to have a curved section over the wheel well, and so that's going to be the most critical piece. I'll cut that one exactly to size, and then the rest of them will be cut and fit in accordingly, as depending on the thickness of the material. Planning on using 1/2-inch plywood. I think that'll probably be the best, and a good support here. This will be bolted down onto the chair mounting points, as you can see here, and then I've also got the seat belt mounting points to bolt down to. So this shelf is going to be bolted down very securely, so I think this will be a good solution. So there you have it. That's the prototype. The Cherokee now has additional storage, and it has place for a full-length mattress once I've added the additional pieces cut to size for the front there. But we will cut two pieces here. One piece will come all the way to this middle portion here, and then there will be another piece in the cargo area, so that could be removed for cargo. Have a piece of probably webbing that'll clip on over here, snap on there, and at the top, just to retain any cargo that might be at the back so it won't shift forward. I'm going to extend this frame on the cargo rack. This frame will come up across here, up vertically. Then it'll be bolted in where the seat belt used to be bolted. That frame will be bolted in here, and then it'll come across and bolted in here as well. So the bulkhead will be bolted in across the top, and then at the bottom onto the frame itself. I'm considering cutting out a drop-down panel here, right in the middle, so that it'll flip down the other side hinged. Simply to be able to use the rear view mirror under normal circumstances. So there you have it. That's pretty much it. That's the view from the back, as you can see it now. And then looking through, nice place to lie down once those seats are moved forward. So I think this is going to be a winning solution.